My friends, once again, your friend Sam, making videos on that way you guys could learn how to do new stuff. Just me too, I'm learning as we speak every day, new stuff, and I like to learn more stuff. This car has an leak right there on the screw. You can see it right there. I did the oil change on it yesterday and it kept leaking. I tightened it up, loosened it up, and it's still leaking. So the whole bottom was all dirty too, but yeah, this car's still leaking right here. We're gonna go ahead and fix that leak with these plastic washers. They're really good. Look, you read the top. I don't know if it's marked as that, but right there, rubber gaskets, you know. I tried it on another video. I don't know if you guys seen it. I have another video on there on the Volkswagen Passat right there that I'm driving. It's leaking. It was leaking a lot. I did the oil change on it too, and I ran into that issue where, man, I'm like, it's leaking too much, you know, I gotta fix it, you know. So I did that, and right now it has new oil, so I'm gonna dump it in there. It's clean, the oil pan, and I'm gonna put a new washer on as we speak. Everything quick, we gotta do it fast. These are the ones I'm using. So, but first I'm gonna have to set the phone down for you, and I'm gonna do a quick swap, because remember, there's new oil in there. I didn't know it was in a leak, so let's light it up for my fans. Set the phone down right about here, you know, right there. And there's a washer on there already, aluminum one, but those always leak. I don't like them. I've been trying them and they leak, so I'm gonna go ahead and change this really fast. You have to do it quick because we have new oil in there, remember. So I'm gonna go ahead and change it and put it in there. Hopefully this is the size, because I don't know what size is it. So I'm gonna get two sizes ready to go, two different sizes ready to go, and see which one it is. You got a smaller one and a bigger one. Sí, ahorita está ahí adentro metido. Prende el compresor si quieres, tiene el switch por atrás, préndelo. No, ahorita le echamos. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and see which size it is very quick, and then remember, you gotta do this quick. So let me loosen it up more, and then hopefully we get the right size. Oh, this is a big one, so I think it's gonna be this size. Yeah, it's big. Oh man, it's kind of windy too. Espérame. There you go. We're gonna slap it on there, put it back on. So it's a big size. Good thing I bought two different sizes, but there you go. Probably got one cord out or two, 1.5. So there you go. So now you're gonna tighten it up. Size 19 on a Audi S5. And let's clean up the area so you guys can see if it leaks or not. We'll come to the side, clean up the area. So this leak caused it to wet the whole back end of the car. It was literally real bad. But there you have it, you know. And now you just have to adjust it to where you think is good. If it doesn't leak, you leave it right there. Now you tighten it more. It's up to you. Obviously, we have to make sure it's not too tight, not too loose. That way you have a perfect non-leak. And right there you have it, look. I'm gonna wipe it off even better for you guys so you can see. I'm back. My friends. But yeah, it's been nice, no leaks. Man, I love those washers. Yeah, those copper ones which just keep leaking and everything. And these, you can like literally see and tell that it's not gonna leak. Nothing. You know, I'm serious. Get these rubber ones, and you'll definitely love them. Not rubber, sorry, plastic. These are plastic. Look. So I brought two different sizes because if I would have used a small one, it wouldn't have gone in. So I used a bigger size one. You know, 1/2 inch. Comes in a pack of 5, I believe. But don't forget to subscribe, my friends, please. It helps me out make new videos, and it motivates me to do more videos for you guys on when I do new stuff on new cars I run into. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna put the oil back in the car because it's clean. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you. That's the Volkswagen R that was leaking. That one was leaking a lot. Dang. This one I sold it to this customer. He resells the cars. Go ahead and put the oil in there. We use the Castro, the one it's supposed to use. It's the V8 one, 4.2 liter. All right, thank you guys. I'll see you on the next video.